Nothing shall discourage us, and loot shall continue. Nothing shall reassert. Well, let me put this as a caveat, that whatever we say here today is truthfully what happened in court. Because we're disappointed in the media during our last hearing. They came out and completely misrepresented what happened in court. It's not as if we care. We knew it would happen because these reports are written at the DSS headquarters and sent through envelopes to editors. Today, as you all are aware, the Attorney General of the Federation was in court to represent the federal government in the case. Very bizarre. It was meant, in our view, to ambush us. And his argument was that he was making an application that the DG of DSS cannot come and testify under subpoena. We were expecting the DG of DSS because he has been saying that he knows everything, he's very smart. I said, this is a federal high court. Come here and defend the letter that has been emanating from your office. Don't forget that one of his people said that his signature was forged last time in one of the letters. So the Attorney General apparently was here to protect the DSS DG, who had developed a cold feet after he received the subpoena. But our lawyers, as you know them, and which were described generously by even the Attorney General, this ebullient, fierce lawyer, Adeyinka Olumide Fusika, was able to obliterate his appearance. I use the word obliterate. It was not supposed to be on record until it was reconciled that his appearance today will be taken as notice. Yes. But his application was jettisoned, and the Attorney General was generous enough to withdraw his application. So we will meet on Monday. But one thing happened in court today, for your record. The Attorney General, it was brought to the attention of the Attorney General that the person on trial is a public fighter. Yes. The Attorney General accepted. Confirmed, yes. He confirmed it. Yes, yes. But he said there are limits. No, there's no limit to fighting for justice as far as we are concerned. If there are going to be limits, it's going to be limitations based on known rules, international treaties, laws, not a fiat or the will and caprices of anybody in office. And so that is, or that was the outcome of today's outing. Like I said, you might get out of here and the news agency of Nigeria has written a different story and circulated to editors to misrepresent what happened. But this is exactly what happened. But I'm glad to answer questions you have because I'm the one in the dock, so I saw everything and everybody. And I want to accept or say this. Not the Attorney General conducted himself humbly, as a public officer should. Unlike the rest of them who come to court, slap people, abduct people, intimidate. I don't know if his appearance was meant to intimidate anybody, but that did not happen. Yes. Yes, because we have very competent counsels who have been involved in handling this matter. So, you know, because you rarely hear this from me, that in where I talk about public officers' conduct. But if they are conducting themselves well, it is not as if they should be trusted. It might be that that's a different strategy. But it could also be that because of this constant struggle to save our country, they are learning that there's life after office. Maybe that is what is responsible for it. I don't know. But there will be freshness of life after office. And the office of Tinubu, his tenure has been cut short by our Ghana Must Go back, which is now Tinubu Must Go.
You must go.
Please order your own before we run out of it.
If you don't order in time, you will not get it.
So from the look of things now,
yes.
On the next DSS.
Well, that's going to be a decision that will be taken between our lead lawyer and the Attorney General's office, who have said they will explore if they have other people that can represent the DG. I'm not to speak on that, but what I can say categorically is that part of the point we want to prove is that some of these people who are doing buga in office, when it comes to being asked to account for their stewardship, they develop cold feet.
Exactly.
This DGSS has been telling everybody that it's the most brilliant DGS. Come and show it here. You are running away. You go and beg Attorney General, please come and help me from Sowore's handle. Yes. Because we would have loved to see his brilliance shine through the dock today. Well, now you are a public officer now. You have been saying you have been arresting everybody. You even when I arrested my assistant, stole all her phones. You want to charge her. Come and defend why you are the person who is acting on behalf of the president.
So
policing free speech.
Yes, they are carrying phone like a police. Police hold my phone.
Yes.
They give me SIM card.
You better be careful. You better be careful that they don't go and steal your phone. So that's it.
SIM card.